Alright, my topic is slope. Slope is a line which is the rise over run, which in equation form looks like this. It's just the ratio of rise over run. For a line, this is constant. The slope is a measure of pretty much how steep a line is. The higher the rise, the steeper the slope. For example, if you had a line that looked like this, and this is just your basic rise over run, but you doubled the rise, which would give you a line that looked like this, and it would be 2 rise over run. And this principle works for both the run as well. And the equation for writing a slope is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Or it can be wrote as delta y over delta x, which basically just means the change in y divided by the change in x. And for some examples of this, I will to show that this can be done with any set of number points on any given line. Like, say we have set 1 of points here, and we have point 1, which is -3, 4, and 2, 1. And you would write it like this, minus 4, which gives you -3 over 5. You can't reduce that, so that is your slope. And I'll do one more here for an example. And you have, what's the numbers? 15 and -12 and -3, 14. And you would write this out, 14 minus -12 over -3 minus 15, which would give you 26 over -18, which can be reduced to 13 over 9. And this is your slope. Now, one important thing to remember about slope is that when the points are taken from a vertical line like this, the x equals 0, and for both points, which would mean when you wrote it out, it would be 0 minus 0. And we all know you can't divide by 0 because that just creates a black hole. So you would list this as a undefined slope. Also, to find the slope, one can use any 2 points on a line. So if you had one point here, or a point here, or if you want to take 2 points close to the middle of a line, you can use them. The slope is also uniform throughout a line. It's the same all the way through a line like this. Unless it is a curved line, then the slope is different. And that's all there is to know about slope.